Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast who has a love for alternative fashion, especially alternative shoes. And I made another Demonia purchase, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So if you want to see my unboxing, my try-on, my review, all of that, then please keep on watching. So the last time I made a Demonia video, I bought directly from Demonia's website. I recently found out about some other like authorized resellers, I guess, because Demonia, I believe, is based in the UK with shipping costs and taxes and import fees, all of that. It can get expensive. Not to mention the boots are extremely expensive on their own. So there's a site called Shoe Freaks. They're a Canadian company. They're based in Quebec, and all the prices are in Canadian dollars. And I believe the way it works is like basically they, have a stock of Demonia and like Pleaser and other alternative shoes, and then they cover all the import fees. So I don't think you have to pay shipping. And I think they cover, whatever, any duties or things like that. So I ordered from them because they were having a Labor Day sale. They were having a 20% off sale. And I was sort of like umming and ahhing, and I wasn't sure if I should order because they're really expensive boots. And then like literally at like 11:58 p.m. on Labor Day, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to get them. So I got them, and I'm really excited to unbox these. So if you followed my channel, or you know me, or you followed my other social media, you'll know that I like to experiment with my style. So I already have a pair of black Demonias, and I figured I should maybe experiment with ghost goth or more pastel goth and get a pair of white Demonias. The only thing is, like, because obviously they're white, they get dirty really easily. So like, I don't know if I really want to wear these outside, but that's a problem for later. So let's unbox these. I think I'm actually going to switch to my phone and then record like from above and then put that footage in here. So I'm just going to switch and then cut to that footage. I'm just going to do a voiceover here as I unbox these. Okay, so these are from Shoe Freaks. So as you can see, they added their little sticker, and it looks like they have all sorts of like giveaways and things like that. So that's fun. And then we open it. Here's the Demonia box. Oh, that's interesting. They included some Skittles. That's just like a really cute touch. Unfortunately, I can't eat them, but that's super cute anyways. And they included this little pamphlet here, just talking about, you get 15% off your next order, and again, talking about their giveaways. And here are the boots. Oh, they're super cute. It's weird. I kind of expected them to be like a stark white. They're almost like a slightly off-white, but they're super cute. They're actually not as heavy as my other ones, and they're slightly shorter. I mean, this is a different model, so I didn't expect them to be exactly the same. But it's just interesting that they feel a bit lighter. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just because they're a little bit shorter. I think the platform is also a little bit lower, if I remember correctly, like maybe by a couple inches, but oh, they're super cute. I just tried them on now, and one thing that I noticed is that they feel looser around the legs than my other Swing 815 boots. So I don't know if these are made slightly differently. Maybe if the vegan leather is a bit stretchier than the patent vegan leather. But they just feel, a lot looser, a lot roomier. So if you have bigger calves, then I think you're really gonna enjoy these. These were set on the second loosest setting for I think all the straps, and very, very roomy. Okay, so I put it on a wig, and now I'm just going to cut to like kind of a little fun lookbook.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that.
Too
yeah, so that's the video. Let me talk about the comfort level of the boots because I was wearing them for a photo shoot. So after having worn them for about like 10-minute or so increments, they do feel different than the Swing 815s. They're not, they're more comfortable, I think. I think these, they're about the same heel height, but they're just a bit more, I don't know, it feels like there's a bit more support for your foot. Maybe, I don't know, I think the Swing 815s maybe have a little bit more of a heel, so it puts more pressure on the ball of your foot. And these ones, I think they might, your foot might be sitting flatter, so it's not as much pressure. So it is more comfortable to stand, but if you're walking, they do feel a bit clunky. Maybe it's just because they're very roomy, whereas the Swing 815s are a bit more snug, which holds your foot and then you're able to walk a bit easier. Whereas these ones, like I feel like I'm wearing platforms. Like I feel like I'm like, duh, 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 duh. Like I can't really like bend my foot because otherwise my foot slides. It's just like I'm sort of lifting this like gargantuan heel, if that makes sense. So definitely, I mean, neither of these styles of boots that I own are like distance walking shoes. They're not uncomfortable to walk in, they're just not the most comfortable to walk in, but my foot doesn't hurt after standing in them for a while. What else can I say? Otherwise they're super comfy. As I mentioned before, these definitely I think are good for people with wider feet and people with wider calves. So if you fall into those categories, I think you'll definitely enjoy these boots. I really like them. I think they're super, super cute. I think the Swing 815s maybe are a little bit more comfortable to stand in, but I think I'd still give these a solid 5 out of 5. I really do enjoy them and they're adorable. So really, really happy with my purchase. And I definitely recommend ordering from Shoe Freaks if you're in Canada because you do have all those extra like discounts and opportunities to win shoes and stuff. So it just incentivizes you to shop with them a bit more over the Demonia website. And then you don't have to worry about shipping costs and things like that. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this style of boots as well as just shopping on Shoe Freaks if you're in Canada. And I'm just really happy with my purchase. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you own these boots, if you're thinking of getting these boots, let me know. If I can answer any questions about these boots also, let me know. If you like the type of looks that I do here on my channel, I'm sure you'll enjoy my other social media. I've got links in the description box below, so I'd love it if you can give me a follow. And if you like the type of content that I post here on my channel and you want to see more, I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on notifications, and that way you'll get updated every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.